guys, Quinn and I are back today, and today's hairstyle that we're going to show you how to do is 4 ponytails.
Wait, we're really doing 4 ponytails?
Actually, we're not really doing 4 ponytails. We are doing Criss Cross Dutch Braids. But to start the style, I like to part the hair into 4 ponytails. So I'm going to show you here. Turn Quinn around. So you actually put like 3 parts into the hair, 1 down the middle, 2 on the sides here. And these 2 sections in the middle are the parts that actually cross over each other. And then these 2 sections are going to form one braid, and these 2 sections are going to form the other braid. This is a great style. I love it because it doesn't matter if your parts are perfect or not. They can be a little bit off. And because all the parts are covered, this is a great hairstyle when you're outside. So in the summertime or any time that the part lines might be exposed to the sun, this will prevent them from getting burned, which is great. But it's also pretty in any time of the year. So I'm super excited to show you how to do this. Let's get started. Begin with the hair divided into 4 sections like shown. Release the 2 middle sections and lay one to the right and the other to the left. Brush out each section and hold with a clip. Next, begin to part off the sections that will be crossed over between the 2 braids. Cross the first 2 sections over each other. Use clips as you go to hold the hair that has been parted. Continue to alternate crossing a section from the right over to the left and then a section from the left over to the right. Before laying each section on the opposite side, make sure to brush it smooth in the direction it will lay. At this point, pause to brush all the sections smooth on each side. I like to do all this parting on dry hair and spray with water as needed, but if you're working with curly hair or more frizzy hair, you can definitely start with the hair wet, and that might be more helpful. Continue parting the hair all the way down the back. When all the hair is parted, brush it smooth again in the direction it will lay. Make sure to do this carefully so that you don't accidentally catch the sections lying the other direction. Secure the hair for one braid to the side before braiding the other side. With all the hair parted, you are ready to begin the Dutch braids. Beginning with 3 sections, bring the inside section under the middle, then bring the outside section under the middle. Return to the inside section, add the next crossed over section to it, and bring them under the middle section. Add new hair to the outside section, then bring it under the middle section. Continue repeating this pattern until done. One tip as you do this, try to position the braid along the side part line as you go along to hide it. Think of the part line as a guide for where to position the braid. Repeat on the other side. And just another tip, I always recommend starting the braid with the inside or the first crossed over section of hair. Doing this will help to hide the side part line better at the beginning of the braid. So we're all done with today's video. We wanted to show you how it turned out. So you can see how all the middle sections crossed over. It turned out really nice. We hope that you like it. If you do, give us a like below and make sure to subscribe so you see all the other videos that we'll be doing. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.